Hello, welcome to another new video. Today I will show another way of lithium battery conversion for this kind of light. This is SC nickel-cadmium, SC size nickel-cadmium battery. This is original battery for this light. I use in here 18650 cell battery using this old 18650 battery. This is actually old battery. They have no voltage. In here two battery space for 18650 battery. But there is a problem. If I use two battery, voltage gone higher because 3.7 and 3.7 it's going to 7.4 volt. So I need use one battery. So I need do something like this. This is all 18650 battery. I solder in here between the positive and negative. Once you solder between negative and positive, you need to dry this battery in sunlight because some battery have a liquid in, so you need to do careful this. After you dry it, you need to tape all around because this is positive and battery and light body is negative. Use this connection, so you need taped all around, especially this side and this side. First you inside this old battery and second time you inside the next battery and then connect it. After this battery damage or charging, you can use only other battery. It's easy. You can charge by this charging hole, and other way you can charge your lithium ion battery charger. It is easy. This is original. I show you. If you make this kind of thing, you can use bunch of lithium ion battery if you want. Yeah. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.